Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all the browsers that are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So as I said, let's open it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options, so we can remove visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range also, from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. It's totally up to you. And then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options here, and now we've been transferred to this section where we can find advanced data like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you'd like to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour or last 15 minutes to, for example, all time, up to you, and then tap on delete data. And we just got back to the home page. We've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.